All right, we have one page left to tackle, the most difficult page left.
Yep.
And that, of course, is the home page, and it's got a lot of different parts and pieces and more tables and pictures and text than anything we've tackled so far. So it's going to definitely be the most challenging. And so because of that, we're going to be breaking it up into a few videos instead of just trying to tackle it all at once. So, Rob, fire away, man.
Okay. Well, let's take a look at the first area we're going to tackle. Let's do the products area.
Okay.
So let's see what we got here. We know we're going to have a border around the image. We got some a title, some text. So let's go and lay it out.
All right.
Go into GoLive. Open up our index page, which is our home page. And drop in our table.
Yeah, we've already got that first table in there that provides the white border.
Right. So we have our padding in place.
Yes, that's what they call it. They call it padding. Start using the official terminology.
Unofficially official.
Yeah, unofficially official.
I'm going to make this 100%. And I'm going to leave this as 3 columns this time. And no border. And I'm going to give it a cell pad of, say, 8.
Okay.
And if that doesn't work, we'll change it.
This will be like one cell for each of the products, I'm assuming.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Now, we need our background image in here.
Okay.
So I can choose background image. Just click on that and then go get it. And it will be in the home product.
Home product background. That's the one. Kablam.
Kablam. There we are.
We're not seeing the whole thing yet, but it is there, and that's what's important.
Right. So let's go ahead and drop our product image in our first cell. Now you notice how things shifted because I put something in here. If I go through here and select all these cells just by clicking and dragging across them, I can select all 3 at once, and it goes to the cell tab.
Percent.
Yes, we'll set them to 33%.
Kablam. Nice.
Right back to where it was. Let's go get our image, and that would be home. No, wait, it's going to be product log.
Actually, oh, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. As long as you remember.
It's hard to remember sometimes.
Yeah. No, you're right. It is that one.
That's right. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So now
the other one was big.
Right. That's right. So let's go get some descriptive copy.
Yay.
So here's our products copy. We have how many? We have 6 to choose from, but we're just going to choose the first one here for our first one.
Sure. We just grab that one-liner.
Right. This one-liner. I'll hit copy. Going to go live. Hit paste.
Oh yeah, get some kind of word wrap around there.
Yeah. So here we go. Let's take a look in our source code. Make sure there's no weirdness from Word, our good friend Word.
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks okay.
Everything seems to be okay.
Seems to be in good order. Go back to layout mode. All right. So we get to choose some stylings for these guys. I'm going to hit enter here.
Okay.
Now you notice when I did that, what it did, it wrapped a paragraph tag around all of this, this entire section here, and it caused some wraparounds for our image.
We're pushed way down there, so we're starting to kind of see the sky at the bottom.
Right. So let's fix that right now. What we can do is go to our inline table right here, open CSS editor, and I'm going to edit the actual paragraph tag. You have the power to do this. You can edit any element on the page.
Okay, wait a minute. What did you just do?
I created a style that applies to markup elements.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Right. So we know that this is a paragraph.
Yeah.
This will affect every paragraph.
Okay.
Now,
and P is, of course, the flag for paragraph.
Exactly.
I gotcha.
Okay. Now, the reason I'm doing this, every paragraph has a built-in margin. And so I can make that margin any size I want with a cascading style sheet.
All right.
And in this case, I don't want a margin at all. So I'm going to go to the margins and padding properties and set it to 0, and you'll notice that it snapped right back.
Okay, I see what you're doing.
So we got rid of our extra padding that we needed.
Where before there was actually a list of these earlier. Now we're creating one of our own.
Right.
I gotcha.
Okay, so I'm going to close this real quickly. I'm going to insert a carriage return.
So shift enter.
Right, a shift enter, a line break. That's what that's called. And so now, because this is separated from the image, I can tell the image to center.
Oh, nice.
Just by entering center. Yeah. And now I can add I can give the we talked about putting a border on the image. So let's go into Photoshop and get a color for that. We'll just grab our color. sample it,
Plow.
and I can copy, cancel, back to GoLive, and I'm going to make a new generic style, and I can click on the image tag right here.
Oh, nice.
And we'll call this one home product image shot or photo or whatever you want to call
Shot, photo, shot, pic, image.
Yeah.
There's
your choice.
Yeah, all sorts of ways to do that.
So in addition to styling text, you can style images.
Mm-hmm.
And so let's choose our border and outline properties. I'm going to give it a border all the way around, and I'm going to say 3 pixels to start, and we'll paste in our color, and we'll make it solid. Okay, so it's a little thin. Let's make it one pixel bigger. I think that's probably good for now. If we need to change it, we'll change it. Okay, so now I know. Let's go back to Photoshop and check our text. Zoom out a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Select our text tool. This looks like our standard Verdana
10
point, which is our standard font size.
And it looks like the top is just bold.
Right. The only difference is it's bold and capitalized.
Right.
So let's go back. We're going to make an inline style for just this guy, and we'll call it
home product title or home product name.
Product name, yes. And we'll give them those properties. It will be bold.
So under weight, we grab bold.
And under transformation, we'll make it all uppercase.
Okay, gotcha. Easy enough.
That's all we got to do for him. Now, you notice that in our Photoshop document, we have more margin.
Yeah, we have more of an indentation on either side.
Right. So one way we can fix that, we can add a new class for this whole area.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll call it, we'll use a block style in this case, and we'll call this the text area.
Home product text.
Home product text.
Cool.
And what we can do is go to our margins and paddings again.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm just going to add, let's try from the left side 5. Need more than 5, maybe 10.
Okay.
And maybe from the right side a little bit, maybe 5 from the right side. Not quite as much because it naturally wraps.
Right, because we're already kind of stuck over the left.
So I think that did it.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's looking good.
So what I can do is I can copy this. I'm going to go back into our source mode here real quickly.
Mm-hmm.
And I can copy from div to div all the way down to div to div. Basically everything that's in this between these two cell tags.
Okay.
I'm going to copy that.
So now you can see where that indentation is so handy.
And I'm going to do it straight in source code.
Wait a minute,
mode.
hang on, real quick. What did you do? You put the cursor inside that cell. It looks like.
Right.
Okay, gotcha. Just making sure everybody's clear with that.
Right.
And then I'm
going to paste it.
Paste right
in
in
this
there.
way. Sometimes when you're copying and pasting inside the layout mode, you don't actually grab everything, or you can't tell exactly what you've grabbed.
Right.
This way, we know exactly what we're doing.
True.
Yeah. This is just a different way of doing the same thing we've been doing before.
Exactly. It's just a little more certain because we go right from one starting flag to the end flag.
Right. So now when we go back,
it looks a little more technical, but it was actually easier this way, and we'd
have precision.
This.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So here we have. All 3 cells are filled out. Let's go into preview mode.
Ooh, nice.
Looking good. And I think that's exactly where we want to be.
Yeah, let's maybe go ahead and add some different text into the other 2 cells.
Oh, right. Good idea. So let's go to our Word document.
Collector's edition.
Yeah. That's
Whatever.
good. That's good. I'm going to go ahead and select all this.
Mm-hmm.
Paste. Now we lost our formatting.
Yeah, that's fine.
No problem. We know how to fix it.
Now it does look like perhaps the images, the image in this case has dropped down a few pixels.
Okay, right. Okay, that's because we don't have as many lines.
I gotcha.
And we'll fix that shortly.
All right.
And so let's do the product name like that.
Mm-hmm.
Once again, we can select all of our cells just like that. Or we really just need to do the whole row. So let's click on row.
Okay.
Vertical alignment, top.
Okay, awesome.
That did it.
Very nice.
Okay, go back to our Word document. Select our Douglas fir economy cut. Copy. Paste. Enter a line break.
Shift Enter.
And do an inline for the name. And hit preview again.
That seems to do it.
Oh, is there a problem? We have an issue here.
We're dropping down a little bit. Yeah. Do we need to kind of crop some of that text down?
Yeah, instead of reworking this entire
actually
image.
we did it, but it's the same thing we did before.
Right.
We just need to drop out the word dollars.
Yeah. Sometimes you have to edit images, and sometimes you have to edit copy.
Yeah. We did the same thing over in Photoshop, if you recall.
Right.
We'll just change save thousands of dollars to just save thousands, and we'll just assume that the customer understands that they're saving thousands of dollars.
And that fixed it.
Yep. Awesome.
All right. Very good. So
that's going to wrap up the product area and this video. Now, we're not going to upload just yet. We're going to wait on that until we get the whole page done. And so we'll see you in the next video. Thanks.